Welcome to the fourth edition of the Happy Investing Show, where I answer all your questions about insurance and investments. This is an interesting episode where someone has asked me a very good basic question. This question is from Prabodh from Bengal. He's asked me, what is an SIP and is it a good time to do an SIP? Great question. Very basic, but I would really like to answer this question. SIP is just another mode of investing in equity and debt markets. You can do it in any open-ended schemes in mutual funds. There are these four things that SIP will help you in. One is convenience, the second is automation, third is discipline, and fourth is consistency. When you have an SIP in your name, whether you like it or not, you will end up investing on that particular day. And it is very, very easy. Setting up an SIP is about 2 minutes job these days. It's all gone online. You don't have to worry about the market, whether you like it or not. On that particular day of your SIP, the money will get debited, and this helps you psychologically because you're not thinking on, okay, is this a high or the low of the market? And there's a lot of discipline this helps you to bring in. Markets have always been volatile and will always be volatile going forward too. By doing an SIP, you take care of that volatility. You don't have to worry about wish I had invested more or wish I had exited some. Just keep invested using SIP. Now, to answer your second question on whether I should invest in SIP at these market levels, don't worry about it. As long as you have longer term time frame, you should continue investing in India equity story, primarily because Indian equity markets will continue to grow. The all-time high that you saw today is possibly a part of the larger rally. So don't look at numbers, just go with SIPs, invest regularly and grow your wealth over a period of 10-15 years. I hope I answered that question, Prabodh. The second question is on insurance. This is from Mani, who is 60 years old and he's from Chennai. His question is, when does my ATG exemption go up? I'm just about to touch 60. As you all know, ATG is an exemption that is offered for health insurance. So if you are someone who's below 60, you can take an exemption of up to rupees 25,000 from your income tax. Now, while on the other hand, the moment you touch 60, you have an exemption of up to 50,000 rupees. This is great, right? Mani, I don't know your exact age. If you have already paid a premium and then turned 60, then you have an exemption of only rupees 25,000, as you are not a senior citizen when you actually paid the premium. But let's assume that you already turned 60 and you paid a premium of over 50,000, then that entire 50,000 will qualify for ATG exemption. As I don't have too much of an information, let me just close it with two things. If you are below 60, the premiums of up to 25,000 is exempted under ATG, and if you are above 50, all the premiums that you pay towards health insurance is exempted up to rupees 50,000. Good luck, happy investing.